me tell you, these 16 weeks, they haven't felt that long.
Nah.
Even though I should be getting like a job diploma or something like that. How I feel anyways. But really on the real note, I came to this class just looking for help in any avenue to get my kids back. And it wasn't easy finding these guys. So what I want to preach to you guys all know how guys don't seem to be in the kids' lives. Now you guys gotta stop your judgment for a minute and think about why he's not there, and maybe he's trying to be, but he doesn't have the resources. It's not just the women that make it hard for us, it's the system. And the system is twice as bad as the women. When we talk, crap, man, this girl's crazy. No, the system is crazy. And so it's all stacked against us. So if you ever see a man out there without his kid, don't judge him thinking he don't want to be there. Give encouragement and give avenues, especially this program, because before I found this program, I've been looking for a program for 2 years and couldn't find one until I found them. So it's not that we don't want to be involved, it's the system makes it that hard. So, you know, there's good dads out there that just give up. And I was about to. But these guys, man, they helped out a lot. And I still got to prove myself to them because they're going to start helping me out. But I didn't come here for a free lawyer or a free anything. I was just looking for help to get my kids back. So, like I said, they were my medicine. I mean, we all argued and everything. We got our points across. It was awesome. But what my message is for you guys that came, please praise this program to all the men out there. You don't have to say, you know, don't push it on them, but just give them suggestions. Even save the number in your phone for when you see somebody. Yeah, sorry, this is all real emotional, but
it's you though, man. We know it's you.
Hey, man, I am grateful that I'm here, but while I'm standing here getting the help that I finally need, there's 400 guys out there that still need to go through the process. And make sure when you tell them, you know, make sure they know it's going to be a hard battle. But stick with it. People make mistakes. Just get back up, put your head high. And the one thing I've learned from this class is, what do we want our legacies to be? It doesn't matter what's happened in our past. So don't judge us what's happened in our past. All we can do is worry about the future and what we leave behind. And what we leave behind is our kids. And our kids become a product of us. So let's stop saying things, and let's stop saying we're going to change, but just be change in ourselves by the way we speak to each other, by the way we communicate, and make compromise instead of fighting.